Janet Lamb. I'd like to tell you about my Promaster 1500. It was so hot in New Bern this year, as everybody knows. It's hot all over. So I left before it was finished. Well, I have my family with me. My 2 cats were born in 2014 in my flower bed, and they have been mine since then. And my dog Kelly came to me because her father had to go to assisted living. I'd known Kelly her whole life. She was always with him. And so Kelly and I adopted each other, and it's been a wonderful match. She weighed about 100 when I got her, and I'm a mean mommy. I don't let her eat people food. I give her treats that help her teeth or treats that help her hips. She's like a puppy now. Anyway, I went looking for a ramp, and this is what I found. This keeps her in before I'm ready for her to come out. It's safe for her to come out with her leash on. And then I have found that for Kelly, this works the best, to put it down in this sort of bottom track, I guess, and pull it out. I like to say my van is a 2-bedroom because that ottoman turned out to be Kelly's bed. So this is the family room, or the great room. The first thing that came to me when I saw this was that my cats were going to want to be up there. This is the cat tree, and these are animal towels. This is Kelly's when she dresses up.
She's got her formal wear there, little bandana.
Yeah. And these are little compartments that they will get in occasionally. Cats like to be in a tight spot. So I put the tree in and secured it, and then put each one of them up here, and boom, in there. My friend Victoria helped put in the insulation. That's the half-lock insulation. The last day before I left, I went in the fabric store and I saw that fabric. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's just the right colors for my front privacy drapes. Yeah. And what I'm going to do is run those sparkly tiles up to that cloth and tuck them in. My friend Bob helped me put the ceiling up. It's beadboard, and it's to be painted blue like the sky. One of the things that was not finished was the flooring. It's LVT, luxury vinyl tile. And I had some pieces of rug and cut a piece that fit in there. Sometimes I use it if I'm looking for something. I'll kneel and look inside. So it's a little softer on my knees, and I think I'm just going to leave it there. This is what this is all about, this trip for me, finding out what I don't know. I was going to bring our old camper stove, but it looked so pitiful. I went on and got another one at Cabela's when I got here. 2-burner Coleman stove. I finally used it for the first time about a week ago. I was scared to death, but it was easy to use it. And I always hold on. My refrigerator, there are a couple of those blue ice things in there that stay frozen, in between charges, not completely, but halfway. So it's been fine for, I usually just get fresh food. It's been fine for that. That is a
it's a
RV.
30 quart, 12 volt.
So that's a mattress from home. When I redid part of the house, I had a door left over. The door is the firm part. I didn't have to buy plywood or anything. And then it's on top of 2 file cabinets that I already had. Well, the bed is so comfortable. I love that. Oh, it's a twin.
A twin?
Yeah, and in the Promaster it fits. And we didn't have to force it really, but we had to mash it down a little bit on the ends. Really, if you have a big giant dog with you, you need the floor space. I have a lot of soft bags, and instead of using the crates, I felt like I could stuff them under my storage space a little bit easier. Ready for the now the unveiling of the ugly. I did bring my paints and canvas because by now I was supposed to have painted at least 5 masterpieces. My late husband bought these when we were first married, so that was probably 40 years ago. But now they're chock full of things I don't need too often. And this is a really important thing for somebody who's starting out to know that I didn't really think about. There's stores everywhere I'm going. I bought supplies of cat food, dog food, and cat litter. But my breakfast for the last, I don't know how many years, has been a Slim Fast. So I have a drawer full of Slim Fast, and I can put a couple in the refrigerator. Guess what? Walmart here has the same thing, and it costs the same price. So I think that's my big takeaway. Is you don't, unless you're planning on going to the woods, or they call it boondocking, you don't really have to buy 6 months supply of it. This is the dog things, this is the cat things, and this is sort of my food. Right. And that really has helped. I know where to go for those 3 things, and that's most of what I do during the days. And the drawers are the same way. This is the medicine drawer, this is the junk drawer, this is the medicine drawer, and I'm not sure who has more. And if you've seen the commercials, Kelly gets peanut butter with her pills. I was really good about pots and pans. I only bought a frying pan, 2 pots, and some of my favorite utensils, and 3 or 4 favorite knives.
Right.
And this is the cleaning supplies. Those cleaning wipes, they really make you feel a lot better. You know, maybe you even feel like you didn't need to take a shower that day. This was going to be the litter box. That's why it doesn't have a drawer in it. Now it's shoes.
You really have everything has its own place. That's good.
Well,
be organized.
It's because I'm lazy. I don't like looking for things. You can actually put one knee on the refrigerator and the other foot forward. That could even be pulled out a little bit if you had to and just step over it. But those bags are my shower bags.
That's always nice to have everything already together.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh. So this is my trash can. And it is lined with plastic in case of a nighttime emergency. It becomes the potty. When I do use it, I have been using kitty litter. And then my friend Jan had some paper pellets that I tried, and I like those too. I had seen everybody, they block their windows with the Reflectix and all that, and I thought, down, you know, quick and dirty, I just put these expansion bars up. Like, right. In other words, in fact, this is from this is a shower curtain in one of my bathrooms, and that's the expansion rod. These curtains, these will completely cover. As I saw on most YouTube videos, people use this for the garage. These are extra Janet things, and there's a little storage space left over, which I can't believe. And we start with the garage, typical tools. And in this file cabinet is turned around this way, so I have space for tools and cords and all those things that I only use once here and there. And this is one of my favorite parts. I've always wanted a laundry chute. So when I have dirty clothes, I throw them into this corner and they fall down into the laundry room.
Yeah.
It's so funny how when I got this, I thought, oh my gosh, this thing's gigantic. And now I only have about 5 by 5 floor space left. Probably cooler out there right now.
Well, yes, she would be cooler out there. There's a nice breeze and it's very...
I'm getting ready to go out there myself.
I know.
Well, last summer I was so hot and I really couldn't travel anywhere. I had the animals. Travel's so expensive and it's such a nightmare in airports. And I didn't really want to, but I wanted to get out of the heat. So that's when the wheels started turning. So I thought, you know, I'm going to try this and see, because if the economy stays like it is in a couple more years, I might be one of the full-timers. I don't know. All in all, I think this will at least be my vacation from now on. I'm hoping to go to Arizona in January. I have so much more to learn. I've learned some things the hard way. I've learned a lot of things from watching what other people did. That's the best way to do it. Yeah. I brought way too many clothes.
Everybody does that.
I really still am excited about being able to see friends I haven't seen in quite a while. When I go to Arizona, I'm going to catch up with my friend that lives in Alabama. I think for me, it's really the climate. I do not want to be in really, really cold weather, and I don't want to be in really, really hot weather. My husband and I used to go to New England every summer, and I just haven't been able to do that. It is not like me, anybody that knows me, to leave with something half done. She's fine. And so I think that proves that I really wanted to get on this and just learn while it was happening. If I did it half finished, anybody else can do it, believe me.
Well, that's very encouraging, and I hope a lot of people really appreciate you sharing this with you and your experience. Just taking off. Just taking off.
Yep.